Hello guys, this today I'm going to be teaching you P2P Arbitrage, how you can make money with P2P Arbitrage. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly like and subscribe, as I'll be showing you different methods of how you can earn a living, trading and other opportunities that you can use to make money online. So let's go. What's P2P arbitrage? This is a form of trading that involves buying and selling of currencies pair, but this time it is in crypto. So you buy a crypto for exchange for fiat currency. So fiat currency is the normal currency that the world is using, while crypto is the new form of currency, digital form of currency that is available now online. So what you do is you buy and you sell from one to the other. So I'll explain. Here you can see Bybit. This is Bybit. So what you want to do first of all is to register for an account. If you have not yet registered for an account, to trade P2P arbitrage on Bybit is literally free, unlike other platforms where you have to pay a fee and their requirements are quite much. But Bybit does not require you to pay any fee, and they don't charge you, they don't deduct, they don't charge you per transaction. So once you've registered, you want to go straight to the P2P trading section, and once that loads, you can see here we have the buy and the sell. We have the buy and sell. Now we have two types of people on this platform. We have the merchants, and then we have the regular users, who are the buyers, who are like the customers. So the merchants are the ones listed here. They are the ones selling and buying. Meanwhile, the customers are those that wants to buy, and probably also sell. Some of them, they buy the crypto maybe to go and trade somewhere else for different reasons. But merchants are those that are listed, those you can see here. So I might register and decide to buy crypto from one of these merchants and click on buy. It will bring out a pop-up where I can select the amount I want to purchase. And once I do that, once I select the amount I want to purchase, it will show the equivalent of it in the fiat currency. If I say I want to buy 1,000 USDT now, you can see the equivalent of it in Naira. This is 1.4 million. So that means I have to pay 1.4 million to this person, and this person will now give me $1,000. Well, you can see it does not add up to that. The maximum is we need to sell is 74. So if I'm buying 74, this is 108,000. Here, I will just click on the buy, but I'm not going to be clicking. So it will ask me to go and to transfer the money to him. Once I transfer the money to him, the coin will be released. So how are we going to make profits? The idea is to buy low and sell high. So for a merchant, buy is sell, because they are the ones, they are the merchants. But to a customer, buy is buy and sell is sell. If a customer comes and says he wants to buy anything, he is buying from a merchant, and that merchant is actually selling to him. So that is why buy is sell for merchants and sell is buy for merchants. So sell here, I say I want to sell to this person now. This person is actually buying from me. So that is the idea behind it. So the idea here is to buy low and sell high. For example, I might buy at the rate of 1,452 and then come here and sell at 455. You can see I'm making that money profit. 52, 53, 54, 55. I'm making 3 naira in profits per. That is per 1 USDT that I'm selling. So imagine I'm selling 1,000 USDT. So how much am I? This is my gain. That is 1,000 times 3. I'm making 3,000 naira gain. Flipping 1,000 USDT. So imagine that I now repeat that 10 times a day. I've already have 30,000 naira profit in that day. So that is the beauty of this. In the numbers of trades that you are able to do, that's where the beauty comes in. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. How you can buy low and sell high. So the first thing you want to do is to register to P a merchant. And to do that, you simply go to my ads here and you try to create an ad. If you've just registered, you'll see some list of requirements that will pop up. What you need to do is complete those requirements. Once you've completed those requirements, you'll be able to post a ad. You'll be able to create a post ad. So once you've done that, so you create post now to bring you here. So you can click on either you want to sell or you want to buy, and then fill out the details of your order, of your ad that you want to create. These are ads that people have created. So you will choose a name that you want to be trading by, and then it was listed for you. Yeah. So if you really want to make money with this P2P trading and you really want to learn about it, I will link one of my courses under the description of this video, where you can go there. You will see the full course. There's a course I created on this, the full course of how you can register from your registration. I will walk through from the registration to how you fulfill the requirements, to how you place a ad, to how you fulfill the ad, and to how you raise a dispute. If someone, for example, bought from you and does not want to release the coin, how you can raise a dispute and have a customer care come, and release the coin for you. Everything is in that tutorial. So if you really want to take this to the next level, click on that link and get the course. It is just 10,000 naira. It's just 10,000 naira, and that I don't think that's like $7. That's just like $7. If you really want to take this serious, click on that link right now, and then take the course. And kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. See you next time.